Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Joe here, 690 Thank you for stopping in on your Tuesday. And today is, oh yeah, don't forget, hit that subscribe, give us a thumbs up, make sure you're part of the channel. Today we're going to talk about kind of self-maintenance on your bike. And especially if you're a new rider or something like that. And, it's really good to periodically do some self-maintenance stuff. Now, I'm not talking about oil changes and valve clearances and all that type stuff. What I'm talking about is just your everyday, all-around maintenance type stuff that you really should check on, especially if you're starting to ride quite a bit, or if you're going to go out and you're getting ready to travel or something like that. To really check. And what I mean by checking is checking not just fluids like in your radiator and stuff like that, but your hoses and stuff. It's always good to check all your hoses, not just hoses, any type of wires with zip ties. Make sure that there's not dirt and grime getting in there and rubbing that and chewing through the wires. Make sure your zip ties are all together. Make sure that everything's out of the way. Check your fan, check all your bolts, all that stuff. It's still really good to make sure that you check your oil and all that stuff and make sure that your oil is changed and everything is good to go before you go on any type of travels. But it's really good to just check everything. And I mean everything from brake fluids to checking your brake calipers, making sure those are good, checking your brake pads, making sure that they're good. Always giving it a once over, maybe once every 30 days or every 45 days, somewhere around there, just to make sure that your bike's in tip-top condition for when you're ready to get out and you're ready to ride. Now, with that being said, I've got a cool little hack. The camera that I use, just to let everybody know, if you make it all the way to the end of this video, if you ever watch my Friday night videos, if you have a Sena or a Senna, we're going to have a hack on how to do a Bluetooth connection to that camera, even though there's not a Bluetooth connection to it, to talk in your helmet. Anyway, we're going to do that next week. Anyway, hey, like I said, regular maintenance stuff like that, just everything. Just kind of give it a little once over, lubricate little things that you can lubricate that need to be lubricated, check your brake lines, the whole 9 yards. Anyway, hey, I'm Joe. Make sure you're safe out there. Do your maintenance. Your bike can't do it itself. You guys have a fantastic Tuesday, and we'll see you next week.